We're going to show you how to submit your gradient artwork and get it to print for DTF. Now for this process, you're going to have to use our gang sheet builder. So it's really easy. Head over to our website, transfersuperstars.com. You're going to click on transfers. You're going to scroll to the right here where it says gang sheet builder. You're going to choose the gang sheet of your choice. We have gang sheets that are 12 inches tall all the way to 100 inch. So in this particular video, we're going to use the 12-inch tall. And don't worry, you can always export it or you can always change the size later on. Now what we're going to do is click on a brand new gang sheet. You can upload your file. Let's say, for example, I prepared this file here. Now it auto detects the background, and this one has the semi-transparent pixel, which a lot of graphic designers create and gives it a nice faded edge, but the problem is it's not meant to be printed with DTF. So we want to get that fixed again with our gang sheet builder. Now you can continue to just upload this the way it is, which is what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to click continue and I'm going to paste it right on our board. Now let's take a look closer. I'm going to show you first what happens. So this is the image. The edges is semi-transparent. Even if I went to the visual aid and I threw a black background to it, it looks pretty good. The problem here is that it's not going to print exactly like this because the edge has to be solid in order for us to put glue behind it for it to stick on our shirt. So let's go backwards. I'm going to click on this image. I'm going to back up a bit and I'm going to click on edit image. This is how you fix it. We're going to go ahead and click on halftone. As you guys can see on the edges, it made the edging with halftone. Now it's not going to print with white around it. If you want, you can go ahead and adjust the density if you need to make the dots bigger or smaller. As you guys can see, it made smaller. If I go back to the front right here, it'll make the dots bigger, like so. So you want to find the happy medium that you like, and then you can export with it. Keep in mind, the smaller the dots, the more difficult it is to transfer. So you want to find, again, a happy medium where you're going to be comfortable with it. With that said, go ahead and click apply, and it'll apply to your gang sheet. And it'll even fix the other images that are on there, so you don't have to worry about doing it each and every time for each and every image. And guys, folks, that's how you export or fix your gradient image using our Gang Sheet Builder Pro. But one thing to keep in mind, this is not perfect. It's still using a lot of technology. So you want to make sure you double check your images. And we always recommend ordering a test print before you order your bulk run. And my name is Phil, so if you have any other questions, make sure you guys leave a comment below. I'll help you out on the next video.